Milan Nedić remains one of the most polarizing figures in Balkan history, viewed either as a treacherous German collaborator or a tragic Serbian mother. As the head of the puppet government of national salvation in occupied Serbia, Nedić operated under the shadow of the German administration. Critics rightfully point to his regime's role in the Holocaust, as his forces assisted German authorities in identifying and arresting Jews. His administration aided in the brutal suppression of anti-fascist resistance. However, his defenders argue he was a pragmatic leader who sacrificed his soul to save the Serbian people from total biological extermination. Most notably, his government provided a vital sanctuary for hundreds of thousands of Serbs fleeing the Ustaše genocide in the NDH, a feat many argue saved an entire generation. They claim he cooperated with the German leader and his officials only to soften the 100-for-1 reprisal policy and prevent a total partition of the country. Ultimately, the debate hinges on whether one views his actions as unforgivable complicity in German crimes or a desperate sacrificial strategy for national survival. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you soon.